Okay, let's dive into how you can build a career that actually thrives in the age of AI. I mean, the headlines are kind of scary. This year alone, over 100,000 tech workers got laid off.
So you gotta wonder, is your job next? The old career formula just feels broken.
Well, here's the thing. Our education system is still prepping us for a world that's gone.
And for recent grads, that first step on the career ladder is getting seriously shaky.
So, what's AI really replacing? It's not whole jobs, but something more specific. Let's look.
Take a financial advisor. AI is great at the shallow stuff, like picking standard mutual funds. Same for real estate. You don't need a person to just send you Zillow links, right?
And lawyers? The real value is the strategy, the trust, stuff AI just can't touch.
You see the pattern here, right? AI is coming for the shallow, repeatable parts of every profession. This is where you get an edge. Don't compete with AI, work with it. And its role is evolving fast. Think of it like this: from assistant to collaborator to coworker.
Yeah, companies get it. Not wanting to use AI is no longer an option for success.
So we're entering what's called the human epoch. It's all about skills AI can't copy.
And what are they? Things like empathy, creativity, and leadership. This is what moves the needle. Your new goal? Become a modern polymath. You connect ideas across fields to solve big problems.
And a personal brand is key here, but soon it'll be too late for new ones to take off.
And you don't need millions. Just 2,000 to 20,000 dedicated followers can be a huge asset. All right, so how do you do it? Here's a simple 3-step action plan you can start today. First, work with AI. Second, go deep, then expand. And third, build your personal brand. Just imagine putting that on your resume. It shows you know how to leverage AI to add value. This is how you go from just doing tasks to actually driving the business forward. Remember, you're just documenting your journey. In an AI world, people follow people. The future isn't you versus AI. It's you plus AI. That gap is widening every month. So your career isn't over, it's just in beta. The real question is, what version will you ship next?